I don't know what these guys are doing. Enjoy the lurk, Dark. Enjoy your food. Enjoy life. We're just vibing today anyway. The weather is gorgeous. It's awesome. I am plugged in today, so hopefully battery life is better. Pardon me. Oh yeah, look at that. We went back up with battery. All right. Hopefully it doesn't like do anything bad to my phone, but here we go. This thing's pretty cool. Yo, what's up, Christian? How's it going, buddy? I think I might zip up a little bit. Although if once we get in the sun, I'll be hot. It's fine. Yeah, today we're downtown, Christian. We're downtown. This is the federal office building. On the other side is it's just a massive post office. Actually, is what it is. Kind of a boring building, but it's nice. And so right over here we got the Oculus. This is like right next to Ground Zero on One World Trade and all that. So we're just gonna wander around here for a little bit, show you some of the sights. I'm a little tired from the gym today. I was feeling energized before, but I woke up sleepy today. How about y'all? Anybody else been sleepy today? I know it can't just be me. No, it can't just be me. So that's the Oculus. There's a mall underneath that. It's yeah, I know, bro. That's why you had a nap. Yeah, I kind of wish I could have had a nap today. It would have been pretty ideal, honestly. Hopefully that construction doesn't sound too loud for y'all. Move over here a little bit so I can sit in the sun. It's not even really. It's kind of just like a roof right there. I know it's This is a big building, Performing Arts Center. They've been constructed for years and years and years now. One day it'll be finished. Oh yeah, it doesn't even register to me. But if you look up, there's the One World Trade. I don't know if y'all can see it. I can't see the screen right now, but maybe you can see it. Yeah, Christian, I've been single for like 8 years. Wait, 9 years? Oh my god. I've been single for a long ass time, you know. Um, I guess I sort of dated somebody a little bit once, but I was not emotionally available at all, so I didn't consider that dating. She was great, though, to be honest. She was a sweetheart. She's married now, but she was absolutely a sweetheart and did not deserve my being unemotionally available at all. But shit happens. That was a long time ago too, though. That was like back in 2015. It's like a year after my divorce. That's why I wasn't ready. I got no excuse now. Except I haven't met anybody cool. Hell yeah, Dark. You get it. Oh, we could go over to the Winter Garden too. I could show you the world. But so one of the reasons I chose down here for today is that theoretically there should be good coverage. Hey, hell yeah, we're all in the club. Yeah, you don't need anybody. You don't need anybody. None of us do. However, comma, it is nice to have somebody once you got all your shit set up. It's nice to have somebody that you can share everything with and grow with and love. I feel you, buddy. I've been single a long time. It might be so, once I get my health stuff in order and all that set, I might I might start dating again. But like I have all the apps. Not all of them. I got two. I got Hinge, I got Tinder. And literally I don't even I barely use it. And then the only people I message is when I see friends on there. I'm like, yo, what's up? Your freaking profile is great.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Oh, we could go to Casa Delicatessen one day and get some pastrami, and I can have one single bite before it destroys me. And then we'll give the sandwich to somebody. We'll do that one day. This is the old footprint of the building. I used to play here as a kid. I'm around here like a dumbass. Yo.